In this video, I'm going to try to make a spoil board finally for my Next Wave Shark SD100 CNC machine. It's got a X axis of about 12 inches and a Y of 13. So I'm going to make the spoil board that size out of 3/4 MDF, and I bought this spoil board planing bit. It's a 3-flute planing bit on Amazon for I think like $16. So we'll give it a whirl and see how it works out. So I decided I'm finally going to try to build a spoil board for the SD100 here. The total amount of X travel on this table is 12 inches with a Y dimension of 13 inches. So I cut a piece of 12 by 13 3/4 inch MDF with my Festool here, and I've got this centered on the bed with double-sided tape. It's kind of strange because the Y-axis actually overhangs the bed a little bit, and you have a bunch of unused space on the back of the bed there just because of how the gantry is here. So right now I'm in V-carve, and I'm trying to dimension where I'm going to put these 3/8 inch nylon bolts. I'm thinking 2 inches by 2 inches in each of the corners, and I'm going to try and countersink them in there away so they're clear so I can tram the top of this. So I'm going to try and set that up on V-carve. I've never done a drilling operation or anything, and then if I can get that figured out, I'm going to drill through both at the same time with the countersink, and then I'm going to attempt to tram the top of the spoil board so it's completely flat. So we'll see how that goes.